Everybody, it's Leo here, and we're going to be making a video today. Today I'm going to show you how to make popcorn out of a really nice $100 speaker. I'm serious. And also, I took the screws out of the bottom because you're going to need screws. And also, this is not edible, and this is a very expensive thing. So if you have an old junk speaker that I do, which is actually $100, and we recently got it, but we can't charge it, sadly, so it kind of has no use. So I took it all out. I kind of ripped it apart. I put it back together, as you can see. Well, I just took these screws out because I use as many screws as I can. Now, yeah. Okay, here's a bunch of screws. I just didn't want to drop it because I don't want to lose any. So, and then you're going to need one of these things. Tell me what these are in the comments. The little things that you use to spin around. I'll just call it a Leo wrench because it looks like it spells in the L. Looks like it spells in the L. Yeah. That's kind of funny. It looks like it spells in the L. I would start dancing, but I couldn't do it at the same time. So. Okay, let's just get working. First, I'm going to take these off. If you don't know which way, you're an idiot. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't know which way. Technical difficulties. Also, this was sitting on top of a magnet for a long time, which came in handy dandy because now it is kind of magnetized. Or I believe so. Some of them, see, come here. And normally there's a magnet inside of your speaker. Yeah. Okay, once you have all four of these, take this little silver bit off. So frisbee. Take this. Well, you're gonna need this. And take this. Yeah. Wait, first of all, I just want to show you. That is not edited. Because I don't edit my videos. I don't care. Don't buy. Oh. Well, let's just take this out. See this big magnet? What you're going to do is you're going to flip it upside down. You're going to take this, and since it sticks because it's metal, here's better. So, see, that kind of looks like magic. That does really look like that. It's like Spider-Man. Pull-ups. And I'm just gonna walk. That's how you can throw things. I wonder if I can do this. Yeah, I really can. Oh man. So I can't rise. Oh, my child. Okay, now back to the nitty gritty. Flip this upside down so that the magnet's facing up. Now you see this part. Put all your screws that you had just on top. And by popcorn, I don't mean they're edible, they just all look pretty. And then, once you have them all on top of this little thing, I like to call it a plane. And jump, And then you just kind of bloop it on there. Bloop, bloop. Let's check if I lost any. I lost one, of course. I'll be right back. Yeah, so it turns out it was just like right here next to me. It's a little bit out of frame, but it's okay. Like right next to this thing, and I put it probably about a foot and a half away from the camera. It was like right next to this. This would be the ultimate weapon if it's. This is hard. Yeah, that's a little thing that I was bored, so I wanted to make a YouTube video. And then, a little way to scare your friends, maybe. Make a trap in front of the door, or when they open the door or something, it falls down. These are very sharp, by the way. Sorry if the camera's not focusing. Focus, stupid camera. Focus. Okay. I don't want to scratch the camera. Oh, yeah, that's a little fun thing to do, is put the screws on the magnet. Oh. Ah! Wow. Never play tag with a cop, that's it. I don't know why, just. Ugh. Oh my god. It's hard. Never play tag with a cop because people are gonna think you're getting arrested and they're gonna point guns at you like thrice. I don't know why I randomly pointed that out. Go. Look at this. Go. Look at this guy. Look at him. Go kill him. Hurry up. See? Look, it's magnetized. Okay, there we go. Oh look, that's okay. Look. It's like, what's on? I was gonna do so. Oh yeah. Here we go. This is the part where it gets a little bit scary, and you have to be accurate for this. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is hard. I'm sorry if you don't really have good angles. You probably don't, because I can't angle things. Here we go. You have a good angle. Okay, this is in frame properly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bounce this and maybe just, okay, this will not do. The lighting is terrible. Sorry if the camera's shaking while I walk. I really apologize. Oh, why? I got idiot light up shoes. Terrible. Stupid. Oh god. Okay, so you see this? Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. If you liked it, please like or dislike. I just want to get your opinion, and please subscribe if you will. So yeah, bye bye.